it's Anya from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making an instant cup of soup mix. This is great to keep in the cupboard whenever you want a hot drink. Just boil some water, add a tablespoon of the soup mix and you're good to go. So remember, you can print this recipe off my website at CookingWithPlants.com. Let's get started. So for this recipe I'm using my TriBest blender. I'm using the large cup for this, but you could also use a food processor or your favorite type of blender that you have on hand. All of those will work perfectly. So first up, I'm starting with 1 cup of rice bubbles, and to that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of dried chives, and try not to add the whole container to that, and 1 tablespoon of dried onion flakes, 1 tablespoon of stock powder. I'm using the Marcel chicken style stock powder, but you could use any vegetable stock that you like. 1 teaspoon of dried sage leaves, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. And finally add half a cup of nutritional yeast flakes. And then give this a blend up. And that's it. Once it's all blended, you're good to go, ready for a hot cup of soup. So just place 1 tablespoon of this mixture into a cup. Top it with some hot boiled water. Give it a bit of a stir through. And you're good to go. Bottoms up. Yum. So quick and easy to make. Why buy it? Make your own. Give this recipe a try. Remember, you can print it off my website at CookingWithPlants.com. Also join me on Facebook and Instagram. I'd love to see you there, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Ah.